Boys, welcome back to the channel. एक और video and I'm back with another vlog. So first things first guys, thank you so much for all the love and support जो आप सबने दिखाया है in my previous video. New Wrap का बहुत ही ज़्यादा positive feedback मिला है guys and I'm so happy that you guys have liked my vision और you know आप सभी को पसंद आया the new color, the transformed color of our bike. So with that being said guys, I am super excited because finally अब हमारा बाइक थोड़ा ready हो रहा है and you know my M3 vision is coming to life. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है, it's nice and sunny. So that is the reason we are out for a moto vlog guys. So चलिए हम अब थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं and I'll explain to you what this video is going to be all about. See guys, because मैं ये R3 को modify कर रहा हूँ for the last 2 years, I kind of have a very good idea of all the things that you should be doing on the R3 and all the mods that you should really be avoiding. Because guys, to be honest with you, मैंने बहुत सारा mistakes किया है and I have bought a lot of mods which I shouldn't have, you know, मैंने online देखा and I thought that it would look cool on my bike. So that is the reason why I bought a lot of mods. और एक बार वो मेरे पास पहुंच जाता है and then I see that the looks doesn't come out the way I wanted to on my bike and that is the reason why I don't end up using that mod. वैसे ही guys, मेरे पास 3-4 mods है जो मैं यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ and you know basically it's a loss of money now because अब तो मुझे वो पैसा वापस मिलने वाला तो है नहीं. So that is the reason guys, in this video we will be talking about the 3 best mods that you should definitely have on your Yamaha R3. See guys, ये जो mods का मैं बात करने वाला हूँ, these are not gonna be performance oriented mods. These are gonna be specifically all aesthetic and looks के लिए mods guys. So basically the idea is कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा query आता है कि भैया मैं एक R3 लेने का सोच रहा हूँ, सेकेंड हैंड R3 लेने का सोच रहा हूँ, तो आपको क्या लगता है, क्या प्राइस रेंज होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए. So I just wanted to let you guys know कि मैंने already इस टॉपिक में एक वीडियो बना चुका हूँ in my channel and the YouTube algorithm just works in a way where it doesn't get forwarded to all the people who want to watch such type of content. So go to my channel guys and check करिए आप about things to know before you buy a used R3 in India, and with that you will know everything there is to know about buying a used Yamaha R3 in India. मैंने अपना पूरा insider view दिया है guys, उसमें all the perks and all the cons of you know having a used bike which is not really being manufactured currently and the parts availability is a bit of an issue. So yeah guys, make sure you check the links in the description to go check out that video. With that being said guys, चलिए अब हम अपना लोकेशन में पहुंचते हैं and then I will talk to you about the 3 mods guys जो I feel like is a must have for all Yamaha R3 owners, the first gen Yamaha R3 owners. उसी के साथ साथ guys, I'm also going to give you a bonus mod for about tips and tricks that I have learned of the past couple of years of ownership of my first gen Yamaha R3 boys. So चलिए अब हम ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते हैं and मैं आपको मिलता हूँ directly on our shooting location and then I will talk to you guys further about the 3 mods that I really recommend every first gen Yamaha R3 owner should completely have on their bike because it just transforms the aesthetic looks of the bike and it just gives it a fresh new look, like modernize कर देता है बाइक को ये mods. और उसके बाद आपको ऐसा फील ही नहीं आएगा कि you know आपका बाइक 7 years 6 years पुराना है, depending on which generation of model you have. Man, it is hot today guys, जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो बहुत ही कड़क धूप लगा हुआ है and that is actually one of the biggest reasons से मैंने सोचा कि let's go out and make a moto vlog because you know it's a beautiful sunny day. Rain के टाइम में moto vlog करना थोड़ा issue हो जाता है because of the camera setup, the GoPro setup not being waterproof with the mic setup installed on it. Finally 10 मिनट से सिग्नल लगा हुआ था, अब जाकर ये सिग्नल खुला है. Oh, it feels good to pull the bike a little bit. This bike is not meant for traffic guys. जैसा कि मैंने इस बाइक को modify किया है with the lowered handlebars and the committed riding stance and everything, this bike is so not meant for traffic riding right now. So that is the reason why I like to take it out on nice and beautiful days like today, जहाँ पर आप देख ही सक रहे हो roads खाली है and you know it's just a vibe to ride the bike on these types of days. So boys, the 3 mods जो मैं आप सभी को बता रहा था, that is a complete must have for the first generation Yamaha R3. तो जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो, मैंने अपना R3 का look completely transform कर दिया है from this front angle. So guys, the first mod जो most important है in order to transform the look of your Yamaha R3 has to be the double bubble windscreen. तो जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो guys, I have installed this double bubble windscreen visor on my Yamaha R3 and that what basically does is helps us with the wind blast of the bike. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो उसका अप्रोच एंगल बहुत ही ज़्यादा कर्वेचर में है. सो व्हाट इट बेसिकली डज इज दैट व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग द बाइक यू कैन completely tuck underneath the front double bubble visor and that helps you with the wind blast on the higher speed. उसी के साथ साथ boys, the long term viewers of my channel would know कि मैंने पहले भी एक double bubble visor install करवाया था अपने बाइक के ऊपर. But if I just show you the clip right now, this was not at all double bubble visor guys. It was very similar to what the old bubble visor used to look like. So मैंने ये double bubble visor को install किया था because at that that time we didn't have this very specific visor in stock. So it's like I was kind of happy only with that visor because at least हमें stock से तो थोड़ा look को change कर दिया था. But जैसे ही मैंने ये visor को देखा guys, so I just fell in love with this visor and check out the looks of the visor. जैसा कि अगर आपको मैं cockpit view दिखाता हूँ तो check out the cockpit view, क्या लग रहा है cockpit view से. So that is what I mean by the double bubble visor being one of the best mods to install on your first generation of Yamaha R3 because it completely transforms the front look of your bike. Mod number 2 guys, which is a must have on the Yamaha R3, this Autolog design का R1M style tank guys. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो ये tank बहुत ही ज़्यादा different है from the stock factory tank that Yamaha gives you on the R3. This is based on the new design language of the Yamaha R1s guys. इसीलिए it has that very narrow bottom side. उसी के साथ साथ it tapers very much into a broad tank from the side angles, and then it tapers down from the front with these grills that are attached here. These grills don't come inside of it guys. ये मैंने खुद से insert किया है DIY project. So yeah guys, this Autolog design का tank is a complete game changer when it comes to the first generation of Yamaha R3 because it completely transforms the look of the bike and just gives it a new personality altogether. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो boys, the bike is looking really amazing with this side angle and as a matter of fact हर एक angle से bike बहुत ही ज़्यादा sexy लग रहा है. उसी के साथ साथ प्रो टिप फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, अगर आप ये ऑटोलॉग डिज़ाइन का टैंक अपने बाइक में लगाने वाले हो गाइस, सो यू गाइस माइट हैव आल्सो फेस द सेम इशू विच इज़ कि जब आप अपना हैंडल बार को टर्न करोगे आपको ये पूरा एंगल नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज योर आर्म इज़ गोना हिट दिस पार्ट ऑफ द टैंक. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई गाइस आप अपना हैंडल बार को खोल के लगा सकते हो अपना T के नीचे. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी चीप मॉड बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू बाय एनी एक्सेसरीज, एनी नट्स, बोल्ट्स, कुछ भी नहीं. आप बेसिकली एक मैकेनिक के पास जाओगे और आप उसे बोलोगे कि मुझे लोअर करना है अपना हैंडल बार को, एंड वो आपका हैंडल बार यहाँ टॉप से खोल कर ही इज़ गोना इंस्टॉल इट ऑन द बॉटम. एंड दैट बेसिकली व्हाट इट डज इज गाइज कि जब आप अपना बाइक को फुल टर्न कर रहे होगे ये जो हैंडल है गाइज ये क्लियर हो जाएगा फ्रॉम दिस टॉप नॉच एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू डक अंडरनीथ दिस टॉप नॉच. आपका जो हाथ है यहाँ से टर्न होके आएगा कंप्लीट यहाँ नीचे तक. सो यू आर नॉट गोना हिट दिस टॉप पार्ट ऑफ द टैंक. So yeah guys, that was a pro tip if you are going to be installing this Autolog design ka tank on your Yamaha R3. उसी के साथ साथ boys, since we are on the rear side of our bike, I would like to talk to you guys about the third mod that is a complete must have on the Yamaha R3. This mod has to be the TST Industries का tail light boys. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो मेरे बाइक में मैंने TST Industries का tail light install कराया है and if I turn on my ignition you will be able to see कि जो अपना aftermarket tail lights है it is really different from the stock tail lights. So check her out boys, this is what the TST Industries का tail light looks like. Do let me know what you think about this tail light in the comment section below. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो it has a LED turn around, पूरा LED का indicators लगा हुआ है and it goes around the indicator and it just makes it look really awesome at night. Especially at night it makes it look really awesome. उसी के साथ साथ एक और benefit है guys of having this TST Industries का tail light which is that it comes with integrated turn indicators. So अगर मैं आपको अपना left turn indicator on करके दिखाता हूँ guys, so you would see that it has integrated turn signals inside of the tail light. This just clears up the look from the back. यहाँ पर आपको indicators लगाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. As you guys can see, I have just put a tail tidy, a very small tail tidy to clear up the look from our back end of the bike. So yeah guys, उसी के साथ अगर मैं आपको right hand side का indicator जला के दिखाता हूँ, so this is what it looks like. So yeah guys, this has to be one of the best mods for this first generation of Yamaha R3 because it just gives a premium look to the bike from the rear side. आप देख ही सकते हो कि बाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेक्सी लग रहा है from this rear angle and this is the reason why I went with these indicators on my bike. उसी के साथ guys, all the products का link will be in the description box below. So अगर आपको कुछ भी products खरीदना है, you can check out the description box and you can buy those products. Full disclosure guys, these are not affiliate links, so I will not be making any money through your purchase of these products. I'm just putting the links in there to help you guys out. With that being said guys, I hope आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा होगा. Thank you so much for all your feedback on my previous video. Everybody seems to love the new look of the R3 and that makes me really happy because I've been planning for this mod for such a long time कि finally now that I have installed this mod on my bike, I am really happy with the turnout and couldn't be any more satisfied. With all that being said, I hope आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा guys. I had a lot of fun shooting this piece of content for you guys and अगर आपको informative लगा हो वीडियो, so do make sure to like the video and उसी के साथ चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. I'm gonna catch you guys on another video. I am Rohit Premji and you're watching Mr. Suits. Peace.